Alright, still watching for lightning. The storm is way far away, I think, so the lightning is pretty low to the ground, so I tried to find a higher place in the town so I could be higher up. But it was right across from the town center, and all the lights from the street lights and the businesses kept blaring out my camera, and then I couldn't really see the lightning, so now I'm on the other side of the town center. So it's dark where I'm at, but I'm lower. And there's trees there. So it's not really picking up any better. I don't know where else to go. Need to find a place that's high, that has a big area of visibility, and living in a city, that's kind of hard to find. So I'm just seeing if I can get any nice lightning strikes. Yes! Lightning strike! Winner! We did it! We did it, guys. Thank you for your patience. There's a lot of lightning in this storm. Some of the little flashes the camera isn't picking up, but it's like almost continual flashes. It picks up some of the bigger flashes. Like that, but dang it, another car is coming. Don't these people have anything better to do than drive by me while I'm trying to film? I'm only doing 5-minute lightning videos. The thing with lightning videos is you never know if you're gonna get it or when you're gonna get it, so I don't want you to have to watch a 30-minute video for one lightning strike, you know, so I'll just do 5 minutes, and then if we get several, then good. If we get one, then good. If we get none, I'm not posting that. So time's almost up. Give us a good one. That's alright. Give us a strike. Oh well, there was a strike at around the 2:07 minute mark, I think. So I guess that must be the only one we're gonna get. I'm gonna keep filming probably, but it'll be in another video. Bye.